Hey there, today we're going to look at how to connect Microsoft To Do to Google Calendar. So let's get started. First, log into your Zapier account. Over here, click on the Create button from the dashboard. After that, set up a trigger. In the search bar, type Microsoft To Do and select it. Then choose New Task as the trigger event and hit Continue. Then select the list from Microsoft To Do. From the drop down under List, choose Task and press Continue. Over here, move to the Action step. Select Google Calendar as the app. Then choose Create Detailed Event as the action event. After that, fill in the required fields for your calendar event with the details you want. Once done, hit Continue. Then click on Test step to make sure everything is working correctly. If it's successful, you'll see a confirmation. Finally, click on Publish to activate your Zap. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.